gloves on. Better legs than our Roswell over there. Right, we've got some 20mm fire over. Gas mark 6 as usual. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to make them into some points. We'll shove them in machine. Right, so you get there. Press the start. And away we go. 4 times on each. Nice and hot them. And they're coming out like that. And what we do with these, putting these through here, we're just going to put it on fuller. I'm just going to squeeze these together and get like a bit of a neck from the point. So we can do these. And that basically making a bit of an head. So I'm just going to chuck it back in fire again and bring another one out. So if you look at that one, I've got it down to a bit of a point, and what I'm going to do is just curl it round a bit on here. Watch. So he's got a little bit of a bobble on his hat there, like that. Wedge that a little bit and then bend it round, go on at anvil. Better watch myself so I don't want to get any flack on my legs. So basically that's what they are. And we've got 20mm, so he's the daddy boy. And we've got also got some 16mm. So you take them over here, do a bit of this fish bash bosh. Put them in here. So we've got a 12mm one that we've done earlier. Health and safety. Polish him up with a bevel brush. Down them up, so you've got a bit of a game going, with boots. Right, chop them down, and what we've got over here is 20mm Daddy Elf. You know, because it's all about mental health this year, so we're making awareness of mental health, and got baby one, and we're giving away 3. So if you like and share this page over at Christmas, we're going to give 3 sets of family away, and some bottle openers. You know, we've got a few of them left from last year, so come on lads, get a beer, it's Christmas! Hey! Here's to us all. Thanks for all your support this year, and from North Valley Forge and all the boys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Merry Christmas, come on man, get tucked in. Yeah.